Before birth in the liquid of the womb, we are already bathed in sounds. The science of sound, which we call acoustics, enables us to comprehend how we perceive noises, voices, and music. This is a machine that excites the strings of a violin with a bow automatically, robotically, which allows us to bow them under similar conditions that would occur when a violinist plays. In adulthood, many enjoy the prospect of a dinner together.
You can see on the ceiling some of the absorptive panels that reduce the reverberation level in the space. Before the treatment indicated by this red curve, there were really high levels, but afterward, the sound level was reduced such that it would be comfortable.
Here, acousticians measure the sound level near an apartment. There's an air conditioning unit 25 meters away at the neighbor's place, and we're worried it's making too much noise. Leaving the city for the suburbs is not necessarily a guarantee of silence. Fortunately, noise pollution can be reduced thanks to noise barriers. You can see that there's a big difference between the noise in front of the screen and behind it. This was accomplished by those barriers that were placed there, bringing an improvement of 5 to 10 decibels for the houses behind us. You can also go to a concert. The acoustician's job is to control the reflections of the sound on the walls and ultimately to improve the audience's experience of the music. Sounds are present in all environments and take many forms. Acoustics allows us to understand their roles, and finally, it helps us be better acoustic animals in all stages of life.